You have written your speech. You have practiced it to no end, both online and in person. But what happens on the day that you deliver it? How come it did not work? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. I have found that the reason why speeches don't work on the day of delivery is because adjustments needed to be made. Ideally, if you deliver your speech in front of different audiences prior to like the big day, it helps tremendously. You should have a scribe present, someone that writes down those times where the audience is with you, when they're not with you, or when they look at they have questions on their mind. That's important. After you deliver your speech in different areas that you have practiced, you get together with your scribe, you talk about it, and you rewrite it. As a matter of fact, this is what people like Stephen Colbert and Jimmy Fallon do, right? When they have their writers, they go over the monologue and so on, and they see what works and what doesn't work. So we, as speakers, have to do the same thing. Follow Jimmy Fallon and Stephen Colbert and look at how they're delivering their speeches. Look at the areas, their punchlines. Those punchlines have been written specifically for that audience. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time. Bye now.